Good morning to Albert Isio. Happy 50th birthday. Sana matupad mo ang wish mo and always God bless and stay healthy with your family.
Happy 50th birthday, Tito Bobom. Stay healthy and God bless.
Laksan mo.
I love you. Wish ko lang po magpagaling ka po dyan ah. Healthy po. Happy birthday po ulit. I love you.
Happy birthday.
Papa Bobo.
Tito, happy birthday.
Wish lang po namin na be healthy and pagpakalakas ka po. We love you.
I love you to. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po.
Birthday. Sana mahaba pa ang pagsasama natin. Umagaba pa ang ating buhay. Happy birthday.
Hi, this is Catherine Bernardo. Happy birthday, Tito Bobom. Enjoy your day. Enjoy mo lang araw na to and more time with your family. Good health, more birthdays to come. Lang. Happy birthday, Bruno Mars. Happy birthday to.
Hello, Bobom. Kamusta na? Sana bigyan pa tayo ng mahabang buhay, lahat na tayong magkakapatid. Sana maging maigi ang mga buhay natin. Bilang panganay sa inyo, salamat at nagkakasama-sama tayo itong Pasko. Happy birthday, more birthdays to come. Sana long life, ang wish ko, long life and good health. Toy, happy birthday! Sana maging malakas pa tayo. Sana marami kang birthday na dumating. Happy birthday, love you!